Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to discuss one important scenario based SQL interview question. I have an input data as below, like as shown here. I have two columns, node slave, node master. This data actually represents the tree structure if you observe. For 1 the master is 2, for 3 the master is 2. Similarly for 6 and 9 the master is 8, and for 2 and 8 the master is 5, and for 5 there is no master, means the 5 is the root. Okay, I have the diagrammatic representation of this data. So here 5 is the root, 2 and 8 are the inner nodes, 1, 3, 6 and 9 are the leaf nodes. Now I need to write an SQL query and I need to get the output as below, like I need to get the ID value and then the description, whether the ID is a leaf node or inner node or the root node. The SQL query is simple, but it's little tricky. Like people get confused because here we need to understand the basic concept of checking the values present in one column with the values present in the other column. Let's write the SQL query for this. I have already written the query, so I will be explaining the query step by step. First, query the table. We have the data as specified. Now I need to get the output as 1 leaf, 2 inner, 3 leaf and so on. So I have written the query. Initially I am selecting the value, whether it is 1, 3, 6, 9, 2, 8 or 5. Now I need to get the description. In order to get the description, I have written a case statement. So let's understand the case here. When the node slave not in the node master column except the null value, because the null is a root, that is the reason I have written where node master is not null. So when these values are not present in node master column, then obviously they are leaf. For example, 1, 3, 6 and 9 are the leaf nodes. 1, 3, 6 and 9. These are not present in this column, so they are treated as leaf. Now let's come to the second case. When the node master is null, then it is obviously the root, and the final else it is inner. If it is not leaf and not root, then obviously it is inner. And as description, let's run this query. Wow, here is our desired output. We have 1 as leaf, 2 as inner, 3 as leaf, 5 root, etc. So basically here we are actually checking the existence of one column in the other column. Hope this scenario might help you in some other cases where you need to check the values between the two columns and so on. If you want to practice various SQL queries, you can follow Ask Tom forums or HackerRank or Stack Overflow. Please feel free to comment in the comment section, and I'll be adding all the scripts in the description so that you can practice them in your SQL developer. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.